Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sri Wulandari from Department of Agro-Industrial Technology, Universitas Gadjah Mada, Yogyakarta, Indonesia. I will report about my research, the title, Biochemical Characteristic of Ground Robusta Coffee under various post-harvest technologies and processing parameters. Introduction. Indonesia is the fourth position of the large coffee producer. In Bengkulu, there are three red peak coffee processing methods on Robusta coffee bean. Post-harvest process method affect the biochemical characteristic of coffee bean and the quality of ground coffee. Roasting and milling operations are important operations in ground coffee processing. The Taguchi method and granulation analysis can adjust various quality characteristics of parameters to choose the best treatment combination. So, the purpose of this study was to determine the trend of the influence of factors, identify important factors, and find out the best treatment condition for ground Robusta coffee product from the Taguchi design followed by the granulation analysis. In this research, use Taguchi experimental design with step, factor identification, determination number and level of factor, calculation degrees of freedom, determination of the orthogonal array and the number of experiments. From discuss with the academic, copy processor and literature study, there are 4 factors and 3 levels. First factor, post-harvest technologies with level pulse, honey, and natural process. Second factor, temperature of roasting with level 150 degrees Celsius, 170 degrees Celsius, and 200 degrees Celsius. Third factor, time of roasting with level 10 minutes, 12,5 minutes, and 15 minutes. And the fourth factor, milling in level 80 mass, 100 mass, and 120 mass. Calculation degree of freedom, there are 8 total degree of freedom, so metric orthogonal array and number experiment in this research there are 9 experiments. The next step is experimental implementation, roasting coffee bean, milling, testing the biochemical characteristic of ground coffee in parameter, moisture content, caffeine, chlorogenic acid, sucrose, and lipid. The data that we get, we do analyze. Data analyze with calculation of mean, signal to noise, ANOVA, determining the best treatment with gradation analysis, best conditional prediction and confidence interval, and confirm test. So, the final of this research is get the best treatment product. Effectiveness of treatment on biochemical characteristics. Moisture content, caffeine, chlorogenic acid, lipid, the F ratio of value is greater than F table. This indicates all factor post-harvest technology, temperature, time of roasting, and milling have a significant influence. Percent ratio, moisture content, post-harvest technology factor make the biggest contribution. According to Pisdiana and Fitriadi in 2018, quality of coffee bean can affect the total of roasting time. That is why can affect the moisture content. Percent ratio temperature of roasting factor make the biggest contribution in caffeine. Agustina et al. In 2015 found that longer and higher roasting make increased caffeine content of coffee. And Wijayanti, higher roasting temperature intensified the caffeine content in ingredients. That is why temperature of roasting factor make the biggest contribution in different value of caffeine content. Percent ratio of chlorogenic acid show that post-harvest technology factor make the biggest contribution. From the Duarte et al., example wet process caused the increase of chlorogenic acid. From this statement, this is the reason that post-harvest technology factor make the biggest contribution in the chlorogenic acid content. Sucrose. Percent ratio of sucrose show that time of roasting factor make the biggest contribution. Williamson in 2019, roasting time control affect the difference of biochemical characteristics as like as caffeine, lipid, sucrose, and chlorogenic acid. such as long roasting temperature and time, which cause the reduce the content of sucrose, amino acid, protein, and polysaccharide. In line with this statement, roasting time contributes greatly to the sucrose content. Percent ratio of lipid show that time of roasting factor statement of Williamson in 2019 conducted a study and demonstrated that roasting had a significant impact on coffee and lipid composition of coffee beans. The best treatment. There were 5 types of response variables in biochemical characteristics in this research. First, moisture content, smaller the better. Second, caffeine content, larger the better. Third, chlorogenic acid, larger the better. Fourth, sucrose content, larger the better. And 5, lipid content, smaller the better. Following calculation step with gray-relation analysis, the best result can be determined according to the target multi-response biochemical characteristic. Calculation from gray-relation analysis find out the best treatment. In full wash post-harvest technologies, roasting temperature in 175 degrees Celsius, time roasting 12,5 minutes, and milling 100 mass. Confirm test is done by comparing the mean value of confirmatory experiment and Taguchi experiment with each level of confidence. Because confidence interval of confirmation experiment is within the confidence interval of the Taguchi experiment, so decision of this result in the best treatment is accepted and confirmed. Combination of full wash post-harvest technologies, roasting temperature 175 degrees Celsius, roasting time in 12,5 minutes and milling mass size of 100 is the best treatment, with result in moisture content 3.21%, caffeine 0.81%, chlorogenic acid 8.1%, sucrose 2.58%, and lipid 8.5%. The reason why the combination treatment is the best treatment to get the best biochemical characteristic supported by post-harvest technologies in the wet process cause higher chlorogenic acid and caffeine content than dry process. A roasting temperature of 190 degrees Celsius and time of 10 minutes is the best combination of treatment. If the temperature and roasting time exceed, it will cause a decrease in quality of the ash and quality caffeine content. Roasting at temperature above 170 degrees Celsius, sucrose begin to form caramel. Coffee that come from light roast show a greater antioxidant capacity. A temperature of 220 degrees Celsius reduce other important ingredients such as sucrose, protein, amino acid, fatty acid, chlorogenic acid, and polysaccharide. The conclusion of the study: first, the effectiveness of treatment has a significant difference from each treatment for parameter moisture content, caffeine, chlorogenic acid, lipid, because value F ratio more than F table, but not significantly different for mean on the sucrose. The best treatment was combination of full wash post-harvest technologies, roasting temperature in 175 degrees Celsius, roasting time in 12,5 minutes, and milling mass in 100 mass, with result in the moisture content 3.21%, caffeine 0.81%, chlorogenic acid 8.1%, sucrose 2.58%, and lipid 8.5%. All this result was confirmed through a confirmatory experiment. That is my presentation. Nice to meet you, and I say thank you.